Embarking on the journey of finding your first used car as a student is both exciting and daunting. You're searching for more than just a set of wheels. You're searching for independence, flexibility, and a reliable companion to carry you through the twists and turns of student life. Whether you're commuting to campus, heading to work, or joining friends for midnight snacks, you need a car that won't let you down or drain your bank account. So, let's take a closer look at some of the best money-saving used cars that check all the right boxes for students and anyone with a tight budget. Let's start with a true icon among students and budget-conscious drivers, the Honda Civic, specifically from the 2012 to 2015 model years. The Civic has built a legendary reputation for a reason. It's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about doing so with peace of mind. Under the hood, you'll find engines that are both efficient and durable, delivering an impressive 30 to 40 miles per gallon. That means fewer stops at the pump and more money for life's other essentials, whether that's textbooks, a new laptop, or your daily caffeine fix. Maintenance costs are low, thanks to the Civic's straightforward engineering and the widespread availability of affordable parts. And when the time comes to move on, the Civic's strong resale value ensures you'll get a fair return on your investment. Next up, the Toyota Corolla from 2012 to 2016. The Corolla is the definition of reliability, making it a perennial favorite among students and families alike. It's built to last, with a reputation for clocking high mileage without major issues. Fuel efficiency is another big win, averaging 30 to 38 miles per gallon, so you can stretch your budget further. The Corolla's low maintenance costs and comfortable ride make it ideal for daily commutes, weekend road trips, and everything in between. If you want a car that asks for little and gives a lot, the Corolla is a smart choice. If you're looking for something nimble and easy to park, consider the Ford Fiesta from 2011 to 2016. This compact car is perfect for navigating tight campus lots and city streets. With fuel efficiency ranging from 27 to 37 miles per gallon, your wallet will thank you every time you fill up. The Fiesta is known for its fun-to-drive character, responsive steering, and surprisingly roomy interior for its size. Best of all, it tends to come with a lower price tag than many competitors, making it a great entry point for students who want reliable transportation without a hefty upfront cost. For those who want a little more style without sacrificing practicality, the Mazda 3 from 2010 to 2013 is a standout. This car delivers a sporty driving experience, with sharp handling and a sleek design that stands out in a sea of sedans. Fuel efficiency is solid, ranging from 25 to 40 miles per gallon, depending on the engine and trim. The Mazda 3 is also known for its reliability, so you can focus on enjoying the ride rather than worrying about breakdowns. It's a car that makes you look forward to the daily drive, and that's a rare thing at this price point. Comfort is key when you're spending long hours on the road or using your car as a mobile study lounge. Enter the Hyundai Elantra from 2013 to 2017. The Elantra offers a spacious, comfortable cabin and a smooth ride, making it perfect for both short commutes and longer journeys. Its fuel economy is impressive, with most models achieving between 28 and 38 miles per gallon. If you opt for a certified pre-owned model, you can benefit from Hyundai's generous warranty, adding an extra layer of security to your purchase. If you like to stand out from the crowd, the Kia Soul from 2012 to 2015 might catch your eye. Its unique, boxy design isn't just for show. It translates to a surprisingly roomy interior, with plenty of space for friends, groceries, or sports gear. The Soul's fuel efficiency ranges from 24 to 31 miles per gallon, and its maintenance costs are generally lower than average. It's a practical yet playful choice for students who want a car with personality. Don't overlook the Honda Fit from 2011 to 2010, especially if you value versatility. Despite its compact footprint, the Fit boasts a magic seat system that allows you to configure the interior in multiple ways, making it easy to haul everything from furniture to camping gear. Fuel economy is outstanding, with most models achieving 28 to 41 miles per gallon. The Fit's small size makes it easy to maneuver and park, while its reputation for reliability means you won't be spending your weekends at the repair shop. For the eco-conscious student, the Toyota Prius from 2010 to 2015 is hard to beat. As the poster child for hybrid technology, the Prius delivers exceptional fuel economy, often between 45 and 50 miles per gallon. That means fewer trips to the gas station and a lower carbon footprint. The Prius is especially well suited for city driving, where its hybrid system shines. It's also known for its durability, with many owners reporting hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues. If affordability is your top priority, the Nissan Versa from 2013 to 2016 deserves a spot on your shortlist. The Versa is one of the most budget-friendly cars on the used market, both in terms of purchase price and ongoing costs. Fuel efficiency is solid, typically between 27 and 36 miles per gallon, and the interior is surprisingly spacious for a subcompact car. It's a practical, no-frills option that gets the job done without draining your savings. Finally, consider the Chevrolet Cruze from 2011 to 2015. The Cruze offers a comfortable ride, a well-appointed interior, and good fuel efficiency, usually between 28 and 40 miles per gallon. It often sells for less than its Japanese competitors, making it a compelling value for students who want a little extra comfort without a hefty price tag. No matter which car catches your eye, there are a few essential steps to take before you sign on the dotted line. Always check the vehicle's history report to ensure it hasn't been in any major accidents or suffered flood damage. A pre-purchase inspection by a trusted mechanic can reveal hidden issues and save you from expensive surprises down the road. And remember, the total cost of ownership goes beyond the sticker price. Factor in insurance, taxes, fuel, maintenance, and repairs. When it comes to resale value, brands like Honda and Toyota consistently lead the pack. That means when you're ready to upgrade, you'll likely get a better return on your investment. And don't forget to shop around. Prices can vary widely between dealerships and private sellers, so take your time and negotiate confidently. Ultimately, the best used car for you is one that fits your lifestyle, budget, and sense of adventure. With so many reliable, fuel-efficient, and affordable options available, you're sure to find a trusty companion for your student journey. So buckle up, start your search, and get ready to hit the road with confidence. Your next great adventure is waiting just around the corner. Happy car hunting! Financing a used car as a low-budget student can seem overwhelming, but with the right approach, it's achievable. Start by researching affordable, reliable models and setting a strict budget. Explore financing options like credit unions, which often offer lower interest rates. Consider making a larger down payment to reduce monthly costs. Always check your credit score and gather necessary documents in advance. Remember, buying within your means and understanding loan terms are key to making a smart, sustainable investment.